American industry has led the way in developing the most innovative economy in the world. And since 1961, Tifco Industries has supported American businesses and jobs by selling the highest quality maintenance, repair, and operations products purchased from American manufacturers and suppliers. These quality MRO products, combined with our personalized customer service and steadfast vendor relationships, have enabled us to become a leader in the MRO products industry. Our fully customizable Tifco maintenance system allows us to tailor each customer's maintenance solution to fit their specific needs. Plus, Tifco's flexible package quantities allow us to meet the needs of small, medium, and large operations without over or understocking. Our highly trained inventory maintenance specialists work with each customer to ensure that they always have the right part in the right place at the right time. When you choose Tifco, your Tifco inventory maintenance specialist will design, build, inventory, restock, and maintain your Tifco maintenance system on your premises. In addition, each inventory maintenance specialist will demonstrate and provide the latest MRO products designed to keep your production line, your equipment, and your vehicles operating at maximum efficiency, thereby reducing downtime and increasing your productivity and profitability. Your inventory maintenance specialist is backed by multiple stock distribution centers and a professional and experienced service support team that diligently and efficiently delivers most orders anywhere in the United States within 48 hours of placement. With more than 45,000 MRO products in stock from over 600 manufacturers and suppliers, Tifco can provide you with products that meet all the needs of your maintenance operation. Only the highest performing MRO products are added into Tifco's core product line because we believe that in order for you to be as productive as possible, you need to use the highest quality products. We would rather explain the price of quality than apologize for anything less. Plus, if you have a need for MRO products that are not included in our stock product line, our experienced and knowledgeable non-stock specialists will find, source, ship, and deliver those products to meet your individual maintenance needs. This gives you single-source savings by reducing the number of vendors needed and the number of purchase orders generated when making many small MRO purchases. For 24/7 online shopping, our website Tifco.com offers a full online product catalog, detailed product information with full-color images, an easy-to-use product search function, and comprehensive product demonstration videos. When you choose Tifco, you can buy with confidence knowing you'll receive outstanding product quality, superior service designed to meet your unique needs, and strong support from a professional and experienced company that cares about people and our country. This all translates into Tifco Industries being your best value MRO supplier. Put Tifco to work for your company because we provide you with
the right part in the right place at the right time.